Hey, what's up mga Kaps? It's another SB19 video at ngayong araw magre-react tayo dito sa Burn the Flame, no? Although medyo late na siguro, pero yun, habol natin, no? At ngayon ko lang din siya full na mapapakinggan. Pero ito yung last time, di ba, na nagkaroon na rin tayo ng parang short pagdinig sa kanya. Nasa live ata ako nun. Pero yun guys, no, check natin itong Burn the Flame at alamin natin kung sino-sino mga ba yung mga bumuo nitong kanta na to. So yun, no, for now, magpapaka-gamer muna tayo kahit syempre, hindi naman talaga masyadong gamer kasi Tetris lang naman yung nilalaro ko. But anyway, yun guys, so mag-start na tayo. So yun, kung hindi pa kayo nakakapag-subscribe dito sa channel, no, subscribe nyo na tong channel natin. So yun mga Kaps, simulan na natin. Anyway guys, mag-open din ako ng reference ko for lyrics, no, kasi baka mamaya hindi mali yung pagkakadinig ko dun sa ibang mga lines. But anyway, yun, game. Hey.
Yeah, I'm ready for what? Yeah, I'm ready for.
This is Ken, no? On the start, the intro king natin talaga. And balik natin konti guys, Ang ganda nung intro nila. Para siyang hindi siya parang pang gamer talaga yung ano niya, which is yung parang nagbibigay sa iyo ng boost, parang intro pa lang ganun.
Yeah, I'm ready for.
Parang same reference siya of We Are Electric ba yun? Kung may mga Dota player dito, parang ganun yung nai-imagine ko na pang background, no? Pang background naman sa dito. Etong Burn the Flame, pang background sa HOK, and yung We Are Electric naman way back sa Dota time.
Yeah, I'm ready for what? Yeah, I'm ready for.
Putting in the top grind, all my squad is pop gallant. No words are needed for trust, we got the confidence. I see you flicking, slipping now, how you couldn't copy this. Never stop it, I'll be ready all the time. Get it now, take a breath.
Josh, no? Piniplex ni Josh yung boses niya.
Yeah, my plate is smoother than ice, you gon' pay the price.
Hey, si Ja!
Set the trap, got my body's in the back, you better think it twice. Coming out never.
Think it twice. Check ko yung lyrics na yun. Alright. Na ano yung phone ko. Yung isang phone. So the first verse is put it on the top. Put it in the top. Crying on my squad is pop gal. No words, I need it for trust. We got that confidence. So to. I see you flicking. Ito parang parang sila na rin yung reflect dun sa lyrics, no? I see you flicking, sleeping now. How you couldn't copy this? Not to stop it, I'll be ready all the time. Get it now. So yung kay Ja, take a deep breath, you gonna pay the price. Set the trap, got my parties in the back. You better think twice, come and not never. Oy, galing ganda ng mga lyrics nila.
Casting off the shadows, yeah, I'm on my way. Stand against the fate, we won't be the same. Steeper and steeper, I'll step again. We're gonna dream it up high, to live in the sky. You can
Ganda
never
ng
stop
rhyming niya.
fighting on the edge. Every time we fall, we get back again. Chances we're taking.
Every time we fall, we get back again. Tama ba? Every time we fall, we get back again. Yung kay So yung kay Stel, catching all the shadows, yeah, I'm on my way. Sailing against the fate, we won't be the same. Galing. Ganda nung pagkakatahi-tahi nila. Steeper and steeper, step again. We're gonna dream it up high to live in the skies. Right, ang ganda nung breakdown natin dito. You can never stop me fighting on the edge. Oh, every time we fall, we got back again. Every time we fall, we get back again. Okay, every time we fall, we get back again. Kasi 'di ba sa mga games like this, every time naman na parang nade-deads ka or yun nga na nagre-respond ka naman So meron laging may pagkakataon para bumawi, parang ganon. So chances we're taking will let us fade out. Now it's prime time, we're ready for the win. Oh, 'di ba? Parang ganon. So every time kasi na natatalo ka or kung group man kayo or individual ka na naglalaro ng HOK or like the every strategical na game like Dota or what or ML, may mga times na matatalo kayo, but you have a chance na bumawi, no? At malamangan yung kalaban. Okay? Sige.
Let's fade out, now it's prime time, we're ready for the win. I'm a warrior, burning up the flame. Rebel, won't be tamed. Put it up a fight, and I reach for the skies.
It's on a prime time, we got it, got it.
I'm a warrior, riding for the game. Make it glorious, running for the
Okay,
name.
salitan dito si Josh saka si Ken, no? Tama?
We're putting up a fight, cause we kids will never die.
We can rise and high to the sky.
We gotta bring it on.
I gotta be calm.
Yun yung chorus, no? Tama ba? I'm a warrior. Okay, post-chorus. I'm a warrior, burning up the flames. Ay na, grabe yung mga, yung mga rap dito ni Josh and ni Ken, no? I put up a fight, and I'm reaching for the skies. It's honor, prime time, we got ignited. I'm a warrior, riding for the game. Make it glorious. Running for the name. Yeah. We put up a fight because we live whenever we die. We get rising hot through the skies. We gotta bring your awe. Oh, we gotta bring you honor, guys. Ang galing, ha? Galing.
I gotta be strong. It's time to take down all
Gotta be
these
strong.
enemies. My willpower, infinite.
We're surpassing the limits, we're running the game.
The sexiness of Ken's voice, guys.
We're the breakers, breaking all the ties and borders. Game changers, just sit back and see me conquer.
We stack him up, I'm on the killing spree.
No, ain't nobody can stop us, we're chasing the glory and nada.
Joke and tandem, guys. No? Di ko lang masyadong maano yung mga lyrics. Pero ito meron naman tayong references. I gotta be calm, I gotta be strong. Oh, which is parang, tama ba kay Ken yung ano na yon?
Running the game. We're
Hindi ko
the
lang guys, ha?
breakers, breaking all the ties and borders. Game changers,
Op.
It's time to take down all these enemies.
cause we kids will never die.
We can rise and high to the sky.
We gotta bring it on.
I gotta be calm.
Oh, kay
I
Josh
gotta be
nga.
strong.
Ay, kay Ken. Ang ganda. Sakto sa kanya to. Feeling ko sila rin gumawa ng lyrics nila, no? I gotta be calm. I gotta be strong. Which is yun yung pinaka-karakter din ni Ken, no? It's time to take down all these enemies. My willpower infinite. Okay? We're surpassing the limits. We're running the game. Yeah. Parang talaga, parang sa kanila, 'di ba? We always say 18, no, na sila yung standard. So dito sinasabi nila, no, we're surpassing the limits, which is ano yung lagi nilang sinasabi sa simula at wakas? Paano hihigitan? Ang sagad na, we're surpassing the limits. We're running the game. Sila na yung nagpapatakbo ngayon, no? Sila na yung ginagaya, sila na yung standard. When it reference natin sa P-pop, okay? Okay.
It's time to
Sorry,
take
guys,
down
ang
all
dami
these
natin
enemies.
na
My
dito.
willpower, infinite.
We're surpassing the limits, we're running the game.
Hey!
We're the breakers, breaking all the ties and borders. Game changers, just sit back and see me conquer.
We stack him up, I'm on the killing spree.
No, ain't nobody can stop us, we're chasing the glory and nada. Casting all the shadows.
Hey! We're the breakers. We're just preparing for the sound breaks. Hindi ko lang di sure. Breaking all the tiles and borders. Game changer, just the fact that you see me conquer. We're stacking up, I'm on the killing spree. Oh, killing spree, ah. Now ain't nobody can stop us. We're chasing the glory and none of. Okay.
Yeah, I'm on my way. Stand against the fate, we won't be the same. Steeper, step again. We're gonna dream it up high till live in the sky. You can never stop me fighting on the edge. Every time we fall, we get back again. Chances we're taking won't let us fade out. Now it's prime time, we're ready for the win. Honor. I'm a warrior, burning up the flame. Running story. Rebel, won't be tamed. I'm burning up a fight and I'm reaching for the sky.
It's on a prime time, we got it, got it.
Etong song na to, Burn the Flame, feeling ko it's not only referring to Honor of Kings players eh. It's also referring din sa kanilang mga pinagdaanan for the SB19. I don't know pero syempre since gamer din sila, na-apply nila yung mga personals nila sa games dito sa song na to at sobrang nakaka-relate din sila doon. So yung Honor of Kings parang 'di ba na-incorporate nila sa mga sarili nila since sila din ay mga mga gamer din. No guys, no, galing. So sobrang sulit. Ako feeling ko sobrang sulit ng Age of Honor of Kings dito sa SB19 na kinuha nila yung grupo na to para gumawa ng song sa kanila kasi hindi lang siya basta team song, hindi lang siya basta parang OST eh. Talagang yun na yung bubuhay sa game mo. Imagine mo na lang no pag naglalaro ka ng Honor of Kings, guys, tapos ito yung background music mo. Parang every time na may kalaban ka, talagang makaka-deads ka talaga, makaka-points ka talaga eh. Ay,
Ready for the game. Make it glorious. Ready for the name. Yeah, we're putting up a fight 'cause we think we'll never die. We keep rising high to the sky. We gonna bring it on it.
Write our story, give us glory. Gotta take it, all that I can.
Soon enough, you know my name.
Hey! Ito, write our story, give us glory. Gotta take it all that I can. Soon enough, you know my name. Forging our fate, we're not the same. Yeah, this is our stage. We dominate. Sabi na SB19 talaga to. Reference nila. And ito yung magbubuhat sa HOK players na parang ito yung magiging parang successful song. Parang ganun, no? Okay, guys.
Forging our fate, we're not the same. Yeah, this is our stage, we dominate. I got lightning running through my veins.
Ayun! Parang may nag-sink in sa akin. Dun sa ano ni Josh.
Give us
Parang may familiar sound.
glory. Gotta take it, all that I can.
Soon enough, you know my name. Forging our fate, we're not the same. Yeah, this is our stage, we dominate. I got lightning.
Ano yun? Yeah, this is us as we dominate. Yeah, this is us as we dominate. I got lightning. I got lightning. Di ko mabanggit.
Running through my veins. Not a
Give us glory. Gotta take it, all that I can.
Soon enough, you know my name. Forging our fate, we're not the
okay.
same. Yeah, this is our stage, we dominate.
Okay. Para siyang Indian song. Parang ganon. Galing ah. Galing.
Running through my veins. Not a trace of fear. My heart eyes burning into flames. All the chains will break it, man. So in this battle, we have victory on our way. We on I'm a warrior. Burning up the flame. But it's sorry. Rapper won't be tamed. Put it up a fight. And
Eto, ano to, for sure to during performance to. Parang ito yung sasabay na yung mga tao, no?
I'm reach for the skies.
It's on a prime time. We got it, got it.
I'm a warrior. Riding for the game. Make it glorious. Running for the name. Yeah, we put it up a fight. 'Cause we kids will never die.
We keep rising high to the sky.
We gonna bring it on us.
May ano na to? May music video na ba to, guys? Yung Burn the Flame. Ang ganda nito, for sure. May music video na to. Nai-imagine ko na.
We're beating the odds.
Okay, parang yung naging music video niya yung ano no, yung nakaraan natin nasa live. Tama ba? So hopefully ma-release din nila no yung music video.
For glory, we never go down.
For honor, we're beating the odds. We got the honor. 'Cause we are the kings. It's honor showtime.
Parang lahat ng mga influences or lahat ng mga individual na i-flex nila dito, no? Remember nyo guys yung tawag dito. Remember nyo na nag-solo sila sa 7th anniversary. So doon pinakita lahat ng kinds of music or genre na meron ang individual of SB19. So dito din sa Burn the Flame, no, naririnig ko rin yung kanilang mga atake ng kanilang mga genre na pinagsama-sama sa iisang kanta. So dito may nadinig ako si Josh and si Pablo yung parang sa mga theater na parang sa simbahan, parang chorus ng ano, parang ganon, parang ang tawag doon, di ko ma-explain siya eh. Pero sana mag-gets niyo yung sabi ko, no. So yun yung ano ko dito, and nice yung lyrics niya, napaka-meaningful. They're not only representing themselves, but syempre no, yung mga taong parehas din sa kanila na may mga ganong experiences wherein dati hindi naman sila pinapansin, pero look at them now, no. So ito yung magi-ignite yung Burn the Flame. Alright? Grabe yun. So I believe meron tong Tagalog version, pero yun, isa-separate natin siya ng pag-review or pag-react. So, yun, maraming salamat sa inyo guys. Hopefully, magkita tayo ulit sa mga susunod nating videos. Ingat kayo palagi guys At yun, kung meron kayong gustong sabihin about the reaction natin, i-comment nyo lang po dyan sa comment section. So yun guys, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Ingat po kayo palagi. At yun, sa mga bagong padpad po dito sa channel, ako po si Miggy Boy. Yun, see you sa next video. And God bless.